Hey writers, do you use character sheets? I did a recent post on Instagram for a character sheet, and I didn't really start using sheets until about my fourth book. So the Cozy Mystery series is when I really started getting into character sheets. You don't want your character to have, right, the perfect life, right, quote unquote. You have to create some conflict, make sure they go through stuff, right? Make sure that you're showing their little quirks that they have about them, right? Their flaws, and that other people notice them as well. Another thing too is their expressions, right? When they're feeling a certain way, you want to make sure that you really elaborate on that, and then all the backstories. So that's another thing that's really difficult with series is it's that backstory, right? So everybody has to have a story. Who are their parents? What's their parents' names? Where did they come from? How long have they lived in this house? What's their house look like? It's just a lot, that you have to keep track of. And so character sheets can be very helpful. So keep that in mind, especially with series, but with all your books. And it'll help you to build better stories as well as better dialogue with other characters. All right. Until next time. Bye.